How to install the accessory HP DesignJet Sheet Organizer for the HP DesignJet T850 Printer series. This video shows how to assemble and attach the HP Sheet Organizer to the printer. First, we will unbox all the pieces needed, assemble the HP Sheet Organizer accessory, and then configure the printer. The process will take about 30 minutes. To assemble the accessory for the printer, you will need the following pieces. Crate contents: fabric, A. 2-stacker support adapter, B. Sheet organizer adapter, C. Sheet organizer, D. U-frame, E. Screwdrivers and screws: 1 Torx T20 key, 2 T20 screws for U-frame, 3 T25 screws, 1 T15 screwdriver, 1 T25 screwdriver. Removing the packaging. Pick up the accessory from the box. Important: some bags with parts in the box have a label that shows a letter and part number. Please do not remove the bag with each part before you reach to the corresponding assembly step. How to install the HP DesignJet Sheet Organizer for printers that are already installed. Remove the left rear cover. Turn off the printer, unplug the cables, and lock the wheels. Unclip the basket tubes and remove them with the fabric. Remove the printer's fabric at the back. Remove the 4 T25 screws from the right side of the rear cross tube. Remove the 2 T25 screws from the bracket on the right side of the printer. Detach the rear cross tube from the right side bracket. Remove the basket fabric by sliding it off. Attach the rear cross tube to the right bracket. Fix the right bracket with 2 T25 screws. Attach the 4 T25 screws to the rear cross tube. Install the new basket fabric, A, to the basket tubes. Position yourself in front of the printer and clip the basket tubes until you hear click. Attach the basket fabric velcros to the basket tubes. Remove packaging. Remove the bag from the 2-stacker support adapters, B. Position the 2-stacker support adapters, B, on the bottom crossbeam, insert and rotate, then slide and push to install them one by one. Note: all the stacker support adapters are the same. Make sure the 2-stacker support adapters, B, are correctly installed. Fix the 2-stacker supports adapters, B, onto the bottom crossbeam using 2 T25 screws. Assemble the basket fabric to the rear cross tube. Open the Velcro and attach it to the rear cross tube. Install the sheet organizer adapter, C, onto the front right leg. Fix it using 1 T25 screw. Assemble the sheet organizer. Remove the sheet organizer, D, from the bag and slot it into the 2-stacker support adapters, B, on the right. Important: make sure that the sheet organizer, D, also fits onto the stacker adapter pin as shown. Remove the packaging from inside the sheet organizer, D. Note: for more information on the paper positions of the pocket, refer to the user guide. The sheet organizer, D, is now assembled and should look like this. Break the trims from the output platen with the screwdriver provided, T15. Remove the screws with the screwdriver provided, T15. Remove the support. Install the U-frame, E, onto the front of the printer. Screw the U-frame, E, using 2 T20 screws. Note, make sure the U-frame is as far up as it can be and screw it into place using two T20 screws. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.